College students today are drowning in debt, and it is hurting them and hurting our economy. We must find a way to help families pay for college without condemning them to a lifetime of indebtedness. College tuition is a problem for students today. Students need to question the cost of tuition and try to find a better alternative to not having to pay so much. The cost of college is hurting students and is affecting their chances of getting a degree. Colleges need to find a way to make their tuition more affordable, but students are going to have to confront the issue. College tuition cost is a problem. The cost of college is hurting students. The opaque college pricing system and the lack of incentive for selective schools to rein in spending. On the payment side, the two biggest challenges are a student loan industry, whose business models amounts to writing checks blindfoldedly, and a lack of education around loans and the value of a degree. The high cost of post-secondary education and the hit-or-miss way in which we pay for it have had perverse outcomes. Instead of automatically being a ticket to a better life, college and the debt can be a drag on the lives of some bachelor degree holders, steering them away from their dream careers and causing them to delay big life moves such as getting married, buying a home, and even saving for their own children's future. The cost of college is also affecting students' chances of getting a degree. Many colleges charge students per course hour they take. When students can't afford the cost of a full course load, they may choose to take fewer classes, which can have a snowball effect. For example, a student who doesn't take a required prerequisite for other classes could see the graduation date be pushed back significantly. If students can't make enough money to cover the cost of tuition hikes and can't get more money in loans or scholarships, they may have no choice but to drop out. Also, a student whose graduation date has been delayed by rate increases or who is having academic trouble due to working full-time might be partially likely to decide to give up on college. Colleges need to find a way to make their tuition more affordable, but the students are going to have to confront the issue. There are a couple of solutions to making tuition more affordable. A number of institutions are finding that by rethinking their models of teaching and learning, they can substantially reduce instruction costs while improving educational outcomes. This is good for students because then they won't have to pay so much for the class depending on the credit hours. A thorough scrubbing of non-instructional costs typically reveals savings opportunities of 10 to 20%, even in institutions that pride themselves on being thrifty. Introducing leaner processes and shared services is one promising way to shrink the cost of management functions, student services, academic support services, and plant operations. Students need to confront the issue before it can be solved. Students need to raise the issue about having to pay too much for college tuition because no one wants to accept it. Everyone would rather accept spending a lifetime paying student debts than trying to help the colleges find a solution to this problem. Students don't need to stress this issue, but maybe try and see if they can find a better alternative, such as rethinking the models of teaching and learning so that the cost isn't so high, but to where the students are still learning the material. It's not a problem that one person can solve, but people can try and confront the issue of college tuition prices together. In conclusion, college tuition costs are definitely a problem in today's society. College tuition costs are hurting students today and making it difficult for them to get their degrees. There may be a way to fix it, but the colleges need to make tuition more affordable, and with the help of the students confronting the issue, then they can work together. Working together to solve this issue is the only way to find an alternative to high tuition costs and helping students achieve their dreams.